Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small cap world every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investment. It's Wednesday, July the 2nd. We've just come off the Canadian holiday of July 1st, so a bit of a slow news cycle day because we're heading into July 4th as well. Nonetheless, 4 great press releases for you from both sides of the border. Now, they're all in the resources sector, but these are a little bit different because we've got some real numbers attached here. Let's start you off first on the U.S., on the OTC BB. Magnum Dor Resources trades on the stock symbol MDOR. Listen to this news. Have increased their 5-year agreement with the National Sales and Supply for rubber nuggets to $40 million. This is a 5-year deal, $8 million annually. Contract with National Sales and Supply for rubber nuggets effective immediately. They're doing this in order to help fulfill their open orders and contracts with large corporations such as Walmart, Home Depot, and Lowe's. Magnum's going to use their patented technology through the process of recycling scrap rubber tires to produce this new product. And that's what I really like about this press release here. Not just the number, the $40 million, but they're out there with patented technology recycling rubber tires. Costs are being borne, this is what I also like, costs are being borne directly by Magnum through a non-dilutive conventional financing arrangement. That's hard for a lot of these small cap companies to do, despite the fact they've got great contracts. A lot of time they've got to go to extremely dilutive and sometimes even toxic financing. Magnum was obviously able to secure non-dilutive conventional finance, probably some kind of debt financing or some kind of sales financing to get this deal done. So that's great news for their shareholders. Joseph Glusik, who's the president of the company, stated this: "We're now accelerating our presence in the rapidly growing green market using our licensed worldwide patented technology. We're beginning to fulfill our mission by doing our part to eliminate global pollution generated by used tires and scrap rubber constituents in landfills." Magnum's got a number of patents for the recomposition of rubber, the production of powders and compounds that could potentially revolutionize the rubber recycling industry in North America and China. I really like this contract, and here's what I like even more. They closed yesterday at 25 cents. That's at the low end of the 52-week trading range of 11 cents to 85 cents. So that's good news if you're looking at it for the first time. Here's the other part. Market cap, just about $4.5 million. So you've got a $40 million contract here, $8 million per year, and they've only got a $4.5 million market cap. Might be well worth taking a look at this company for a great long-term investment. Great news out of them. Next up, switching over to Canada. Mountain Province Diamonds trades on both the Canadian exchange and the U.S. In Canada on the TSX under MPV, on the AMEX under MDM. Big news here. They announced the recovery of what they're saying is the largest ever gem quality diamond from a Canadian drill program ever. It's 25.13 carats, valued at $440,000. This is a 25.13 carat gem of excellent shape and clarity and good color that's been recovered from their Gahcho Q diamond project, which is a joint venture between Mountain Province and De Beers, Canada. That's in Canada's Northwest Territories. This is potentially really big news. How big? President CEO Patrick Evans said the following: "To the best of our knowledge, this is the largest gem quality diamond ever recovered from a Canadian diamond exploration program. The diamond is perfect ice crystal and has been independently valued at approximately $17,500 per carat. The discovery also confirms the potential for the Gahcho Q kimberlites to host large diamonds." So big news there out of Mountain Province. They closed on their last trade, not yesterday, but on Monday, was at $4.48 because Canadian markets were closed yesterday. Really tight trading range, 52-week high of 532, low of 350. So they're sitting there right in the middle. Take a closer look at Mountain Province. Etruscan Resources trades on the TSX under EET. They're announced that they hit 44 meters of 11.6 grams per ton of gold. This is at their Fincola project in Mali. A lot of drill results here for you to take a look at. Here are some of the highlights. Highlights to date, not including these results: 44 meters of 11.6 grams per ton of gold in hole. That was in hole 272. 16 meters of 16.2 grams per ton of gold in hole. That's at a hole 258. 6 of the 8 deeper exploration holes have intersected significant mineralization at vertical depths up to 300 meters. Don Burton, COO over at the company. These results are demonstrating that mineralization at Fincola continues to at least 300 vertical meters. Here's a part of the quote I like. Our current resource of 382,000 ounces measured and indicated and 364,000 ounces of inferred only goes to a vertical depth of 120 meters. We look forward to receiving the results from the remaining deep drill holes. The company, as you can imagine, has a dominant land position in district-scale gold belts covering more than 13,000 square kilometers in West Africa, which is a very hot place. Just take a look at African Gold, one of our AGORACOM clients there. They've got principal mine development projects and advanced and early stage projects right across the board. They last closed at $1.65. That's right above their 52-week low of $1.52, way off their high of $3.50. So it may be a good entry point if you like this news and what they're doing. Finally, Arian Silver Corporation trades on the venture under AGQ. They're announcing more high grades of gold, lead, silver across mineable widths in the Soledad area. These are additional assays from Phase 1 diamond drill program at the project in Mexico. Drilling has confirmed the continuation of mineralization. Here are some of the highlights. 9.6 meters grading 241.5 grams per ton of silver, 2.26% lead, 5.2% zinc, 7.25 meters grading 164 grams per ton of silver, 1.51% lead, and 2% zinc, just a little higher than that. And finally, nice hole here, 2.3 meters grading 444 grams per ton of silver, 4.1% lead, and 8.8% zinc. CEO Jim Williams had a long quote. I've got a couple of excerpts here. The continuing discovery of high-grade silver and base metals over mechanized mining widths at our San Jose project is excellent news. The vein appears to be increasing in width and grade with depth. This puts us on schedule to report our updated resource estimation during the current quarter. So it looks like more news is going to be coming out of Arian Silver. They last closed at 21 cents on Monday. That's just off their 52-week low of 18 cents and way below their 52-week high of 61 cents. So again, a potential good entry point for you. That's a wrap. As always, if you look for more great small cap companies, don't forget about the AGORACOM marketplace. More than 90 companies listed by industry and exchange, so you can find the one best suited for your portfolio. And if you're watching this on Globe Investor and you want to find more great small cap resource companies, take a look at all the highlights on this page. Great press releases, webcasts, feature news, you've got it all. In addition, click on the AGORACOM big box to my left or your right at the bottom of the screen. That'll take you right into our resources marketplace where you can quickly find about the great small cap resource company that's best suited for your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow.